What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working a little bit on my 2023 Toyota 4Runner SR5. And well, we're going to be installing this, which are my brand new side steps. These are iron bison. We're going to first start off by taking off the stock side steps on my 4Runner, and then we're going to go ahead and install these. Hopefully, it shouldn't be a long video and should be directly to the point. Let's get started.
Now, I personally don't like the stock 4Runner side steps that come with the SR5. I think they look too bulky, cheap, and the silver trim on the side isn't for me, but that's just my opinion. I'm hoping you guys like the new ones that I got too. Now, the removal of the OEM side steps are very simple. You have 6 total 12mm bolts spread across 3 brackets on the steps. Once you remove them, the step simply comes off and you're ready to install the new ones.
Hopefully, it shouldn't be too hard of a process and it should be relatively straightforward. Let's get into it. Here's the OEM side step coming off. We have 2 holes in each one of these brackets that go into there. Here's our 6 bolts. Again, all 12mm. Let's go ahead. Let's take the new one out of the box and let's install it. All right, guys, so here's the new one. Instructions right here. Again, iron bison. All right, so here is the stock rail with the new one. You can see the difference right there, difference in size. Overall quality and feel. Solid metal, feel really nice. Really excited to put these on and see how they look, but contents of the box are going to be pretty straightforward, pretty simple. We have 3 mounting brackets for each side. The way that they did it on here is the ones in the green bag signify that is the driver's side mounting brackets. The ones in the clear ones are going to be your passenger side, and you have a bunch of these bolts right here. You can see you have a little locking nut on there too, the washer. So you just put these all on, get them all set up, and these are 13mm, so slightly bigger than the stock ones, but obviously the thread pattern is completely the same. So what I went ahead and did so far is just install the new mounting bracket onto the passenger side. So you start on the front end. Everything is pretty detailed in the instructions as well, which is nice. So very simple, very straightforward. You just put those two bolts right up here, mount this in here, and then you can go ahead and just do the same thing on the middle and the rear one. And then we're going to pop on the rail onto here and attach it onto here. So let's first start off by installing these brackets on here, and then we're going to go from there. All right, so now with all of the brackets on, we're gonna go ahead. We have 6 more bolts on here. I'm gonna pick the passenger side up right here, and 2 mounting points on each side, one here and one there, going all the way down. We're gonna mount this up, and then that's it. Passenger side is all done. Guys, and just like that, it is all done. The passenger side fully done. It's been about, I don't know, 30 minutes or so, and that includes me trying to open everything up and just figure it out. Hopefully driver's side shouldn't be as long. Door opening, as you can see, lines up very nicely. Very sturdy. Standing on it, everything is perfect. Really solid build quality, but as you can see though, it sticks out perfect amount. Very easy to use and get back up into. Rear end cuts just before your access to here. Still very usable, very accessible, and just a lot better looking than the OEM ones. Let's just take a quick look though now, comparing this to the passengers, the driver's side. Here's the driver's side. Comparing it on there, and the new passenger side looks so much better. That ugly silver on here is gone. Let's go ahead, enough talking, let's get the driver's side off and let's put this one on. about 10 minutes later, you have the finished product on the driver's side. Again, no issues getting in. Very sturdy. And on top of that, looks great. Alright guys, and just like that, the install is all done. We are completely, with everything done, completed, taking off the stock side rails, putting on the new ones, and obviously filming. Everything was completed in under an hour, so it is a very, very easy job. And as you guys saw, it is a one-person job. If you want, you can do 2 people if you want to make it easier, but the way that the new mounting brackets are with this is that you can actually kind of balance the board on there. So you can do it with one person without having to kind of struggle and lift it and everything like that and put the bolts in. So all I did was just put the middle ones in first to keep it to, you know, obviously keep it up so it wouldn't fall. And that was it. Very, very, very easy to do. And just so you know, you're going to be tightening them down to about 18 to 20 foot-pounds of torque on each bolt. So you can also put blue thread locker on there if you would like, but that's your own choice. So again, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when it goes next. As you can see, very, very easy job. I love the way that it looks, and I love the way that it turned out. I look forward to seeing you guys all in the next one for my next 4Runner modification or car review, whatever comes first. Remember, stay beautiful. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.
Ryan Little.